All right, you guys, so we are at stop number 2 on this good old Saturday. We are at Trader Joe's. Come here. So we don't have one of these grocery stores in our area. We do have a Whole Foods, but Trader Joe's has some good healthy things. So I was nearby, so I was like, you know what, let's go there today. All right, so let's go ahead and get a card though. Quarter. I don't know why Porter always feel like she can still fit in this dang cart. Do your big kids still want to get in the cart when they go to the grocery store? Alright, y'all, so this store is pretty small. I don't even know what I'm looking for, but so far I noticed that the line is like all the way down the aisle, so I really don't even know if we're going to stay in here that long. No.
Please.
Oh my god, I don't even know where to start in this store. I feel like I'm just all over the place right now.
Yeah, we're all over.
Okay, so I'm just trying to browse around and see what they have, and it's kind of hard to do this with a 6-year-old as well in the store with you. Come on, Kate. And it's so busy, so I really don't even know what I'm looking for right now. So everything is just like chaotic in here because it's small. But I'm trying to just take my time and just look around and see what I can find.
These kind of mochis.
Yeah, right now we're in the ice cream aisle. I don't even think we're about to get in the ice cream. That looks good. See, this is something that you cannot get in your local grocery store, so I think I'm gonna get this. And it's $1.99, so that's pretty good.
I had them at school before.
Is this what I'm looking for? You guys, this is actually vegan, but because of the flavor, I wouldn't be opposed to tasting it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. So this is the first time I done seen peas, like right here, Daddy favorites. And these are those cute cherries that you can glaze, you guys. Look at these. These are the colorful ones. See, you can't find these type of things in our local grocery store. So the specialty ones, the grocery stores, you gotta come to the specialty ones to get stuff like this. They even have the little bags. So I think I'm gonna get a bag of those. Okay, and this is a whole chicken. It's already marinated. This one is lemon. This one looks like it's a barbecue. So you can just put this in the oven just like that, you guys, for some dinner ideas. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this and put it in the rotisserie tonight for the kids.
Ooh, yeah. Is this chicken?
Yeah, it's chicken.
Ooh,
Okay, so I thought this was $5.99, but it's $5.99 a pound. So this is $24. So not today, baby. And then she wants some grapes, but they are $5.99 a pound. I'm trying to tell her these things gonna be a lot. There's no price on it because everything is by weight in here. I like that they have these little bowls right here, so it's already prepped, and you get some rice, some vegetables in case you wanted something more filling. So it's a lot of different options. Look at my dad's house, man. Alright, you guys, so this is what the cart is looking like so far. I for sure did not plan on coming in here and spending this much, but I got a lot of different things to put in the refrigerator, so we're gonna go ahead and check out and then do a full grocery haul when we get home.
And they're red like real ones.
And then they have a wide variety of different flowers. Ooh.
I wish I could smell them. They smell amazing.
Yeah.
Let me put it back in the water.
Well, I guess because of Valentine's Day, you know, they have everything out. But do you guys get excited to buy fresh flowers when you come into your local grocery store? The roses. Oh, look at these orange ones. Those are pretty. I think I'm gonna get these.
These are my... I really need this. Mom, I really need this lip balm.
Yes. So the line is pretty much moving really fast, which is good. Because when we came in here, oh my God, it was like wrapped all the way back behind the...
Need this balm.
What is that? What is that? Let me see. Chocolate berry? Who said you need it?
Me, because I really need it.
You want that or you need to have it? Do you need it or you want it?
I need it. I need it for my lips.
Yeah. This was our first time in the store, so.
Oh, okay. Welcome in.
Oh, we gotta put it on that side. Did you say you can have one there? Put that back.
Right there on 20th Street.
The new cake